Let's make this quick no-sew mushroom. Basically, it's like a shaping tutorial where we will shape both a hemisphere and a cylinder together. So the yarn colors you need will be red and light brown. The crochet hook I'll be using here is 3.5 mm in size. So let's get started. Now we start off round 1 with the magic ring with single crochet 5 stitches with red yarn. Just like the previous tutorials for this make along, I will only be going through the key parts and not the full pattern. You can check out the full pattern in the link in the description below. Round 1 is done here. As you can see, we have completed round 3 over here, which just involves increases in rounds 2 and 3. We have finished until round 7 over here. We have completed from round 7 to round 9 over here, and you can see there's a little bit of rounding off that is done at the bottom. And then now we're going to move on to the transition point in round 10. This is the part where we'll be transitioning from the mushroom cap onto the stalk. So we will change to light brown yarn for round 10. Proceed with doing decreases all around the round for round 10 in back loops only for a total of 20 times. So you can see here that I'm using the standard single crochet decrease instead of invisible decrease when we're working into back loops only. I just find that it's easier because you won't be struggling to find the stitches to squeeze in if we do invisible decreases. We will continue single crochet decreases all around this round. You can start to see the transition point to the stalk from the mushroom cap. You can see the obvious mushroom rim over here. And then we continue this for the rest of the round. You can see that we are finishing up the light brown yarn in round 10, and there's a nice transition point before we continue narrowing into the stalk. For round 11, alternate single crochet 2 stitches and a decrease for a total of 5 sets. As you can see here, I have switched back to invisible decreases since we'll be working into both stitches, so it's easier to manage. And basically we continue this all around the round to decrease further into the stalk. Continue the single crochet 2 stitches and the decreases for the rest of this round. As you can see, round 11 is done over here. And then we will continue narrowing until we reach the stalk thickness that we want. Over here, round 12 is done as we narrow it further, and then we will start to add stuffing to the mushroom head. We have moved on to round 14 now, where we are extending downwards into the stalk. It's a little bit narrow, and then we're going to get wider as we go further down. As you can see here, we have done up to round 16, and the bottom of the stalk is wider than at the neck. So yeah, you can see the stalk is widening over here. Here we have finished up until round 20 when we start to close up. And then we will move on to the detailing on the mushroom cap. Basically, there are spots at the top, and then we'll be using different ways to make. Some are larger and some are smaller magic rings. And then for the really small ones, we're actually using French knots. So you can see that they're varying sizes at the top. And then add them randomly all throughout the top. Then for the facial detailing, don't forget to add the French knot for the eyes and then the smile as well. And then you have basically completed a combined hemisphere and a cylinder shape that is done together without any sewing. So you can see that the mushroom is complete. Remember to check out the full pattern in the link below, as well as join in the rest of the mystery make along.